sounds good. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is themarianyeli. I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and vlogs. And today we're doing a day in my life. It's Friday, the Friday right before my birthday. And I just got out my eye doctor. I got my eye prescription. I needed contacts. My birthday is this weekend. Period. I'm super excited, and I don't know if you can tell or see my eyes. I'll show you a little later. You guys will see a little bit of me inside there, but look at my eyes. I was supposed to start vlogging yesterday, but I was cleaning my room, organizing, and doing a whole lot of shit, and I feel like I did a lot, but I feel like I didn't do much. It doesn't look like I did much, and that's what really got to me. But I got me some coffee here. It's kind of hot. I don't know if I should drink this. I've been at this office for about an hour, but my car now got an engine light, so now I'm about to go to AutoZone, get a diagnostic and see what the hell is going on. I need to take this press on off, get my nails done, get my toes done. I need to go to the mall, and I'm gonna be doing my own hair. For some reason, I don't know, I didn't book any appointments or anything. I just kind of want to do my own hair. So that's what I got going on for today, and let's go. Let's get to AutoZone and find out what the hell I got going on. Where's my phone? Oh, right here. Oh, and I got some free glasses, by the way, from sunglasses for ordering my 1-year sample. They're super cute. Look at them. Period. Thermostat? What does that mean?
You gotta replace it. It ain't overheat.
No.
Shit, you probably gotta replace your thermostat. You be needing parts and shit for the car?
The only thing I had, it was one issue maybe like 2 years ago, and I replaced that. I don't remember. It was vascular something. I don't remember what it was.
Shit,
How much is that?
it's probably like $10, $21 really.
To do it now?
Nah, just to replace it, like for the part.
Okay.
The actual labor, it's like I don't know, depending on who you take it to.
Okay, you guys, update. Oh, I gotta put my sunscreen on, but I'm about to do that right after this. I wash my hair, I make breakfast, ate it, clean up. Now I'm gonna go handle my nail situation. By the way, look, this is the press-on nails. I had them for a week and 1 day. One of them is attempting to come off, if you can already see that, but I mean, they lasted a week and a day, and this was like less than $15, which is amazing. I like them. I will definitely do it again, but it's my birthday, so I have to get my nails done. I have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Target now. I think maybe the mall. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it to the mall, but I gotta go and get to it. But yeah, hair is washed. I'm gonna blow dry it later, and I'll talk to you guys later. You guys, I made it to the nail salon. I really wanted to do an appointment with somebody else, but they didn't have any availability, so here I am. I'm just gonna go to the one that I used to go at first, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead at least get my nails and toes done, and I'm feeling better. I'm drinking water. I think that's what's helping me, so don't forget to drink your water. And yeah, let's go. back. Ooh, I'm way too zooming. Okay, there we go. I'm back, and I got my nails and toes done, and I'm gonna show a screen of what my toes look like. But my nails look really, really pretty. They kind of look like the Hailey Bieber nails for whatever, I don't know. Yeah, whatever trend is going on about Hailey Bieber and her nails. They look like her, but my point was that was not my goal. I just wanted this shape of nails with milky white, and he ended up doing it just with powder, which was even quicker and smarter. And I love my nails. Way different story than my last time that I went and got my nails for my trip. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall real quick. I need to see if I can find a white bodysuit that is not see-through, because I have one but it's see-through and I don't really like it. So we're gonna try to find that and get some food. I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging at the mall because they don't really like for people to come in with cameras and stuff like that, and I don't want security talking to me. Like, I don't need to talk to y'all, period. Other than that, what else I got going on? Yeah, toes are perfect. My nails, I will say they're 7 out of 10. They're good. Compared to the last time, they're at 10. But I had to kind of like remove my edges and things like that myself. But yeah, your girl is giving crazy right now, but I don't care. I'm getting ready for my birthday. And okay, so I went to the mall, and I'm looking specifically for a white bodysuit, not ripped material, because I feel like ripped material is gonna give a sporty look, and that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking to give put together, classy, elevated. But I went to, let me see, I went to Express, I went to H&M. I really thought that I was going to find it at Express, but I didn't. And I went to plenty other stores for women to see if I could find it, and no, I didn't. But as you can see, look at my lips. Right now I have the Fenty lip stain in my type, in the purple one. I forgot what the name of that one is, but I got my type. I feel like I really don't know if I'm gonna keep this, because I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it, but I feel like the pink shade and my hair color, I don't know, but I gotta look and see how it looks when I do my makeup. So I got that, my type, and I also got my birthday gift, period. You already know, you gotta go get those. Laura Mercier. I never bought her setting spray. I never bought her setting powder, and I'm super happy that I got it for free, period. So yeah, that's the birthday gift. Next year, I think I'm gonna try the Tasha, if they still have it. And I also got me the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This went viral on TikTok not too long ago. I got me the little one. I need to try and see what it's giving, because I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm getting my hair done. I'm gonna be doing my own hair, so I need to see what up. Let me see what the weather is gonna look like in Atlanta. I haven't looked, so if it is rainy by any chance, I'll be fine. Nope, it's gonna be hot, so period, even better. Also, lastly, I got my favorite dish from, well, I don't think it's my favorite. There's many other things that I really like from Rosus, but I got my gumbo. That's gonna be my dinner for tonight. I was supposed to get a salad today, but your girl didn't, so it is what it is. I'm gonna go head home. I need to go to Target again, because guess what? My man wants wine and whatever. And yeah, I need to hurry up so I can do my hair. It's gonna be 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna make it to his house by 9 o'clock, because I need to go pick up my hair stuff. And not just that, I don't know.